Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Excel file. As you might know, if you don't have an Office 365 license, you can't directly convert a PDF file to Excel. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to do it using a free online tool. As you can see, we have a PDF file on the desktop. Adobe requires a license to export this file to Excel, but we'll be using a tool that doesn't need one. Step 1. Start by typing I love PDF to Excel in your search engine. Ignore any ads, then click on the result from ilovepdf.com. The converter interface is straightforward. Click on Select PDF File and choose the document you want to convert. Once uploaded, you'll see two options. One with integrated OCR, which extracts text from images, and a simple version without OCR. For this tutorial, we'll use the version without OCR. Click the Convert to Excel button to start the conversion process. Once the file is converted, click the Download Excel button to save it to your computer. Step 2. Open and edit the Excel file. As you can see, the converted Excel file contains all the information from the source PDF. The file is fully editable, so you can add filters, adjust colors, and change the content as needed. Step 3. To save your work, go to the File menu, select Save As, and choose the location where you'd like to save the Excel file. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF file to an editable Excel file. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.